Do you want to learn how to delete your app or project on Wasmer.io? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. First, you need to go over to Wasmer.io and log into your account. After that, you're going to find your apps here and then go inside your app that you want to delete. Then on the right hand side, you're going to find settings. Click on that. Now you need to scroll down. Under danger zone, you're going to find transfer ownership and delete app. You can press on delete app here. And then you need to type in this over here. I think this is your app name. Just copy it and paste it. Then click on delete again. And that's it. Now let's go back to dashboard again. And when we refresh our page, our app has been deleted. Now you can go over to overview and browse templates or import from GitHub. That is if you want to start a new app or project. And that's it. That's how to delete or remove an app or project on Wasmer.io. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Wasmer.io related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.